Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Hello, I'm James and thanks for joining me on Kalkine TV for the ASX Buzzing Stocks of the Day. As of October 19, 10:21am Sydney time, the S&P ASX 200 was up, gaining 0.42%. Over the last 5 days, the index has gained 2.41%, but is down 8.56% for the last 12 months. Meanwhile, the All Ordinaries index is up, gaining 0.41%. Over the past 5 days, the index has gained 2.37%, but is down by 9.95% for the previous year to date. On the other hand, the volatility index, also known as the A-VIX, was sharply lower, dropping by 11.08% and crossing below its 20-day moving average. In today's opening trading session, the top performing stocks were Mineral Explorer, Chalice Mining, up by 7.3%, and biotechnology company Imugene, which saw a rise of 2.78%. On the other hand, the bottom performing stocks were coal miner New Hope Corporation, down by 6.51%, and oil and gas explorer and producer Beach Energy, which dropped by 6.49%. As of 10:35am Sydney time, 8 of 11 sectors were higher, along with the S&P ASX 200 index. Utilities was the best performing sector, gaining 1.53%. This morning, mining giant BHP announced its quarterly activities report for September 30, 2022. It delivered safe and reliable operational performance during the quarter. According to the company, all production and unit cost guidance remains unchanged for the 2023 financial year. Its total copper production increased by 9% to 410,000 tonnes for the September quarter, and at the same time, total iron ore production increased by 3% to 65 million tonnes. BHP said that New South Wales energy coal production decreased by 38% to 3 million tonnes overall. The lower production reflects the ongoing impacts of significant wet weather, with more than 3 times the rainfall compared to the previous year, continued labour shortages impacting stripping performance and also mine productivity, and an increased proportion of washed coal. Today, BHP shares traded at $39.20 a share, down by 1.08% as of 10:35am Sydney time. Moving on, and Perpetual has today also provided its first quarter business update for the 2023 financial year. The diversified financial services company reported total assets under management were 89.8 billion Aussie dollars as of the 30th of September 2022, 1% lower than the prior period, whilst Asset Management International's AUM was down by 1%. Perpetual Asset Management Australia's AUM was flat on the prior quarter, with net outflows impacted by the loss of one mandate in the intermediary channel. Its total funds under administration were up by 3% to 1.12 trillion Aussie dollars. Perpetual said that its private funds under advice were down by 1% because of negative market movements, but supported by continued positive net flows. The acquisition of investment management services provider Pendal is also on track, and Perpetual is targeting completion in January 2023. Today, Perpetual shares are trading at $25.35 a piece, up by 0.24% as of 10:40am Sydney time. Alright, that's all for this edition of the ASX Buzzing Stocks for the day. Another episode is coming your way tomorrow, but until then, make sure to keep it locked here on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm James Preston, signing off for now.